Welcome to the XM Community's Product News, a monthly video highlighting 3 selected Qualtrics product updates. Please refer to the monthly product release notes post for the complete list of product updates. You can find the monthly product release notes linked in this video's description. The first update I'm going to highlight is a redesign to quotas in Qualtrics surveys, improving ease of use and accessibility. The quota portion of the survey platform can now be found on the left-hand side of the survey editor, right here. You can add a quota by clicking either of the Add Quota buttons. I'm going to start off by building a simple logic quota. Here is where you add your logic statements, and here is where you can set all of your options, like what you want to happen when a quota is met, how the survey should end, and how to action the response. Not only are quotas easier to find now, but they also save automatically without having to click a button. If I wish, I can even delete my quota by clicking the 3 dots on the left, selecting Delete Quota and confirming deletion. The second update I'm going to highlight is that Google Sheets tasks are now compatible with Sheets formulas, with a few exceptions. Here's my existing Google task in Core XM workflows, which I'm going to add a formula to. Let's use a sum formula, which adds 2 numerical values together and is formatted like this. In this example, I'm going to add pipe text to my formula, combining survey data and existing Sheets data. I'm going to combine the value a respondent submits to Q3, a text entry question, with the cell A10 of my spreadsheet. Here is the spreadsheet, where you can see the value of 200 in cell A10. I'm going to pause the video and take the survey. Okay, I just took the survey and submitted 200 as my answer to Q3. We can now see the value of 400 populated in the spreadsheet, and our formula is right here. The third update I'm going to highlight is the May 3rd deprecation of the use of CSVs as CX dashboard data sources. Moving forward, imported data projects should be used to import CSVs to CX dashboards. Here's how you switch a CSV data source to an imported data project. Navigate to the CX dashboard. If you have multiple data sources in the dashboard, you'll need to filter to just the CSV data source. If you only have one data source, your CSV, then click Export and select Download Dashboard from the drop-down menu. In the Export menu, select CSV and set the results limit. This limit should be greater than the total responses in your data source. Please note, if you filtered your data source, you need to select Include Filter Selection. Next, click Export to download the CSV. Lastly, head to the catalog, where you will create an imported data project with the CSV we just exported. Then, map the imported data project to your CX dashboard as a data source. Don't forget to subscribe to the product news category on the XM community so you can receive notifications every time we release a new video. Thank you.